Good morning, traders. Barnacle Bill, the trader here, just going over what I do on my morning of analysis. On the ES, it's been climbing for a couple of years now. Since 2009, we have two trend lines here, longer term and this shorter term. It has broken the shorter term trend line. If it breaks this line here, you could say that the trend has broken, or you may prefer to wait till this line is broken and wait for the retracement. So as far as the monthly goes, we are in balance. It looks like, yes, it peaked below last month's range and came back inside. Right now is one time framing lower. That's a negative, but it did peak below and came back in. The target could be the opposite side of this range. Let's take a look at the weekly. On the weekly, it's also a balance area here. This was one time framing lower. It stopped. But it left a pretty decent tail up there, and this looks pretty weak on the weekly. Pun intended. We did have, let's look at the daily first. We have this trend line on the daily. Here has not been broken yet. We left a real nice tail on the daily, so this could come back, maybe up into this area. I would certainly think that it would get up to 2018. Where is it now? It's 2005. What did it do over the overnight? It got up to, okay, almost 2018. Yeah, I'm thinking, it may have problems getting through this area at 2025. This looks like it was a liquidity zone here that pushed down from there, so it may have a problem getting through there, but I would expect it to get up to 2018. We'll see. So this appears to be the point of control from yesterday. Of course, it could come down and test here. This can be a magnet. You see that there's a big gap here. Still might be difficult to fill that gap, and then you have your point of control up here. So yesterday we gapped down hard on the 30-minute this left a nice tail here, buying tail, and we finished the day strong, but we may have finished the day actually too strong. They could be long at bad prices. Everybody who bought above here is long at bad prices, so we'll watch that for it to come back down to this point of control. So I guess my two scenarios are the 2 point of controls. Let's jump to crude. On the monthly, This doesn't look like crude. Okay, on the monthly, of course, we've been in a downtrend. This may be the target. It may not stop going down. It may, have some retracements, but not stop going down till it reaches this low, which is 33.55. And then if it continues down below that, I would say 27.73. On the monthly, we are balanced with the previous month. There you can't see it because of all the lines. On the weekly, we're in balance. We have a 3, 4, 5 week balance. So in other words, we're balancing at the bottom of the range. So we're going to have an initiative move out of here. It could be lower, could be higher. If it is higher, well, either way, you have some positions being established in this. So if it goes higher or lower, it should have a pretty decent move, tradable move. So I had rejection at the top yesterday, and what looked like rejection at the bottom. But we'll take a look at that. We're still within the trend line. We did peak below it. We didn't get below yesterday's low though. And let's see, anything else here. It was almost an outside day, but this is in balance. We're still in balance from back here, from the 23rd. So right now, if we would open, it would be 36.77. So we're not far from where we closed. Had a balanced overnight session. So yeah, this could go anywhere if we get above this blue line here. You see, there's not much structure here to hold it. So it could fly if it gets above here. And to go lower, it might be a fight. So we have a couple of point of controls down here. It could be aiming for this low. So I'm just going to watch this as it opens. Let it ring out a little bit. All right. Hope you have a great trading day. This is Barnacle Bill signing off.